beses ka nag-brush ng teeth mo? Wala siyang for pasta, wala siyang for bunot. Ang ganda ng ngipin niya. Very good. Ang ganda. Oh, kahit konting trace po ng caries, wala akong nakikita. Hurts na. Oh, does it hurt?
No.
Wow. So, still like you're scratching your teeth, no? Tanggalan natin yung mga, ayun mo, yung mga matitigas. Yeah, pretty.
Dirty ka sa teeth. Tatanggalin ni Doc mo para hindi mo broken yung teeth mo.
Very good. Hindi siya masakit. Hindi siya ouch, hindi siya ouch. No. Ouch, sige.
Para matanggal yung dirty.
Okay, ko na sa'yo.
Try mo natin.
Very good. Tapos water lang gusto mo. Do you like soda ba? Nagiinom ka ng soft drinks?
No.
Water lang talaga.
Because it's matamis.
What's your favorite food ba?
Water lang.
Food daw, food!
Food at
What's your
saka-
favorite food?
Ang dami pala.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets and chicken nuggets. So,
No.
ayun lang. Pero you drink water.
Yeah, only drink water and foods.
How about milk? Do you still drink milk?
For mommy lang. Gusto mo masasakit yung tiyan mo.
Kaya water na lang.
Dadalhin ako sa hospital.
Grabe.
Baby girl. Okay, brush.
Pikaw lang.
Masarap. Very
Huwag mo
yummy.
lulunok ha.
No, don't eat it. It's like how you brush your teeth, diba? You're not eating your toothpaste.
Yummy.
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 Lang, oh.
Babe ka lang, babe.
Wait lang natin.
Be-paint lang, be-paint. Oh. Huwag malikot.
Yan, like this lang, oh, diba? Wait lang pag-rin mo. Para mas naging strong siya. Kasi look, oh, ang ganda ng teeth mo now. Parang hindi siya makaroon.
Ganyan yung anak ko, ma'am. Nag-wiggle lang siya dahil may tutubo na. Pero hindi siya sira. Tapos, pag ready na yung ano